It is now widely acknowledged that effective decontamination has become the main criterion when selecting ward equipment. Thorough cleaning is a long-term issue which necessitates a long-term solution. Established since 1948, we pride ourselves on ground-level knowledge of the difficulties encountered by both carers and cleaners alike. And we have heard many times that what's easily cleaned will be cleaned. Toileting and showering are obviously crucial areas of concern, but until now, the only option for the immobile patient has been the use of outdated chrome, plastic-coated steel or aluminium mobile Sani shower chairs. These units have many inherent faults which ultimately result in cleaning difficulties, subsequent harbouring of bacteria, and the consequent possibility of cross-infection. Using the latest manufacturing technologies, coupled with modern materials and sleek design, the Stalham addresses many of the problems left unanswered for decades, providing a long-term solution for the future. It is a multifunctional 3-in-1 unit which can be used as a standalone commode, over-the-toilet Sani chair, as well as a shower chair. The range has numerous notable advantages over its predecessors. First and foremost is the utilisation of a high-impact plastic frame, as opposed to outdated plastic-coated steel frames, which inevitably split, rust and harbour bacteria, become impossible to thoroughly clean, and possibly contribute to the spread of contagious healthcare-associated infections. After winning Platinum, the highest accolade in the prestigious Nursing Times Product Awards, the judges said about the Stalham, "This product has the potential to make a huge impact on patient care due to the ease of cleaning and the ability to swap individual parts, and it is recyclable at the end of product life. It could be used in the whole spectrum of care delivery." Manufactured using durable synthetic materials, the Stalham is now a proven concept in toileting and showering, incorporating a next-generation rust-proof, chemical-resistant, modular, predominantly polyurethane frame. Totally synthetic, easy-clean lift-off apertures which have no rough edges or corners and are therefore kind to the skin. A moulded polyamide overseat which will not admit liquid even if damaged. It's fully submersible, therefore much easier to clean and far less likely to harbour bacteria than upholstered or stitched alternatives. Fully synthetic polyurethane footrests which swivel and can be taken off for thorough cleaning. No clips, no springs, no fasteners, and no rubberized footplate grips which traditionally peel and harbour germs. 4 synthetic total lock brake casters which are fitted with protective collars to reduce hair collection, and bright red brake locks to increase visibility and awareness. Synthetic polyurethane ergonomic drop-down arms for side transfer and patient comfort. Polyamide padded arm pads and ultra-modern IV pole accessories are available. Blue is a standard colour for arms and footrest, but for larger quantities you can choose from grey, burgundy or bright red. This innovation makes identifying units of differing uses quick and easy. For example, blue components could signify the unit belongs in an area where there is a low risk of contamination, and red could be used in areas where extreme caution should be exercised. The Stalham is extremely quiet and very manoeuvrable, even in the most confined of spaces. The extensive range includes bariatric, portering, adjustable height, and side chairs. The entire range comes with a peace of mind 3-year guarantee. A free-of-charge decontamination tag is included, and amendable decontamination posters are available online. Comments received via feedback questionnaires include: meets our requirements 100%. Very user-friendly. Sturdy build, always looks like new. Very light and easy to manoeuvre. And good design, very easy to use. In summary, the Stalham reduces hospital-acquired infections in 3 main ways. By reducing the areas bacteria can harbour through seamless construction and intuitive design. By allowing thorough cleaning through quick strip down and disinfection with steam or with industry standard solutions such as ChlorClean, HazTab, ActiChlor, Sani cloth, and ChlorClean or Clinell hypochlorite sprays or wipes. Through the immeasurable benefits of the fully synthetic polyurethane frame, which quite simply does not have any of the weak characteristics of its predecessors. The Stalham has become an integral tool in the fight against HCAIs. Assembly. Your Stalham will be delivered in a sturdy cardboard box to ensure safe arrival. Assembly is quick and simple with no tools required. Firstly, remove all contents from the box and then safely dispose of all packing, recycling where possible. The back is attached to the frame by simply dropping the back section's locating tubes onto the corresponding frame tubes. Upon arrival, the arms will be in the downwards position. Please lift both arms upwards. Ensure the locking pins engage. The footrests will be folded inwards. Please swivel outwards and drop down until they lock into the top of the caster. Then drop the foot plates. The enclosed instructions booklet contains important guidelines and safety instructions. Please read carefully and retain for future reference. Your unit is now ready for use. Adding the bedpan. Remove the overseat and lift the aperture. The lightweight, high-grade stainless steel rack simply drops onto the frame. Replace the aperture, then slide the pan into the rack from the rear. Different bedpan types. When used as a commode, an additional bedpan rack will be required. Our unique high-grade stainless steel racks eliminate the need for difficult-to-clean runners because they drop straight into the frame without problematic germ-harbouring springs or catches. There are several main bedpans used in the UK, some being cleaned in autoclaves, some being disposed of in macerators. All have a rack option designed to hold them in the correct position underneath the aperture. Here are the most frequently used. Traditional bedpan, injection moulded, cleaned in an autoclave. Velo vacuum pressed bedpan, very strong and long lasting, pressed from a single sheet so nowhere for bacteria to hide, cleaned in an autoclave. Disposable pulp pan, very hygienic as the whole pan is disposed of in a macerator. Vector bedpan, injection moulded, supplied with lid, cleaned in an autoclave. Cleaning strip down. Points to note. Overseats are held firmly in place with a rim which sits into the aperture. Apertures are secured with two rear clips which click into position. Arms are engaged and released by a positive locking mechanism. Footrests are attached to the frame without the need for buttons, springs or clips, simply twisting off the frame. Your Stalham must be thoroughly decontaminated after each use, regardless of whether there is visible contamination or not. 20-second strip down. It really is that quick and easy. You will find that stripping your Stalham ready for thoroughly cleaning takes very little time. Firstly, remove the overseat and then the aperture. Then drop both arms backwards. Finally, remove the footrests. Your Stalham is now ready for cleaning. Part replacement. Modular construction allows quick and cost-effective replacement of all components, resulting in an exceptionally long, as-new life expectancy and massive long-term savings. This innovation means substantially less impact on the environment due to the end of repetitive disposal of condemned units. Here we demonstrate how easy it is to remove a main structural crossrail. The cover is removed to reveal the stainless steel bolt. Using an Allen key, the bolt is quickly removed. The process is repeated on the opposite side. Then the rail can be easily removed and replaced if required. Chair options. Stalham 20 mobile chair. The majority of NHS trusts who have purchased our best-selling Stalham 20 model now use it as their standard. This is the smallest mobile unit in the range, with a seat width of 46 centimetres, 18 inches, and a weight guide of 20 stone. As with all mobile units, the Stalham 20 is supplied with footrests and is constructed from our unique polyurethane rust-proof modular frame and includes holes in the backrest to facilitate water dispersion when used as a shower chair. Stalham 20 adjustable height mobile chair. Has the same dimensions and specification as the Stalham 20, but with the additional height adjustment feature, enabling the unit to clear the highest of toilets. Stalham 5 mobile chair. The Stalham 5 is also a very popular choice for trusts looking to standardise with a unit of sufficient size to meet the majority of users' physical proportions. With a seat width of 53 centimetres, 21 inches, and a weight guide of 23 stone, the Stalham 5 is an excellent solution to many of the problems encountered in a modern healthcare environment. Stalham Portering mobile chair. Fitted with a comfortable, easy-clean polyamide seat and back, the Portering chair is specifically designed to be a viable infection control alternative to old-fashioned bulky steel units. An extra-wide pushing handle allows quiet and easy manoeuvring of this light and flexible unit. Offering many years of service due to the quick replacement of components within this most demanding of environments. IV poles and comfortable polyamide arm pads are also available to complement this chair. Stalham Bariatric Mobile Commode. With a 65 centimetre, 25.5 inch seat width and 31 stone weight guide, the heavy-duty bariatric Stalham is an increasingly popular model in the UK. Fitted with a comfortable padded polyamide back and seat, the unit incorporates a hygiene gap in the aperture and frame. Rear casters are locked independently by means of two large, easily accessible brake levers. Stalham Adjustable Height Ward Chair. The Stalham ward chair's unique design allows quick and easy decontamination in areas susceptible to cross-infection, such as bedside use. Comfortable polyamide seat and back with an additional seat height adjustment function. Stalham Fixed Height Static Just Shower Chair. This is a cost-effective fixed height shower chair incorporating all the benefits of the Stalham showering range, including a polyurethane aperture with hygiene gap. Stalham Adjustable Height Just Shower Chair. Another modern, easy-to-clean, rust-proof shower chair, but with the additional benefit of seat height adjustment. Stalham 20 Mobile Attendant-Operated Just Shower Chair. The attendant-operated Stalham 20 Mobile Shower Chair features brake casters for safety and footrests for comfort. Stalham Self-Propelling Mobile Just Shower Chair. For those able to manoeuvre themselves, the Stalham self-propelling chair allows the freedom to shower independently. Fitted with easily accessible brake levers located just below the arms. Cleaning the chair. Although there are many cleaning methods adopted throughout the varying healthcare sectors, combined with numerous sprays and wipes, we recommend that the following presentation is adapted to suit your environment and is used as best practice to ensure thorough decontamination of your Stalham. Firstly, put on a protective disposable apron and a pair of disposable gloves. We are using hypochlorite wipes, but also commonly used is chlorine solution diluted to 1,000 parts per million, which equates to 1/10 the strength of domestic bleach for regular cleaning, and 10,000 parts per million, which is the same strength as domestic bleach, for deep cleaning. Using your preferred cleaning method, begin decontaminating the unit by lifting off and cleaning the overseat, ensuring the entire surface is wiped. Wipe over the top surface of the seat aperture, then unclip and repeat on the underneath and sides. Clean the back and pushing handle. Clean the arms in the upright position, then release and lower the arm locking mechanism, which allows obstruction-free access to the aperture area and frame. Remove both footrests by lifting and twisting the assemblies upwards and off the frame. Lift out the stainless steel bedpan rack frame and thoroughly clean. Now thoroughly clean the frame from above, removing the back if required. Now turn the unit over and thoroughly clean from the underside, periodically cleaning the entire caster assembly. Finally, thoroughly clean the footrests. Please note that over time, chlorine produces a white residue, which should be washed off periodically with clean water to bring the footrests, and in particular the overseat, back to their original colour. Remember that the Stalham and all its component parts are manufactured from either polyamide or polyurethane, are chemical resistant, and can be fully submerged in water without detrimental effects such as rusting. Once finished, dispose of the gloves and apron in the correct waste bin. Then, put on a new clean apron and gloves. Now reassemble the Stalham. Fit the footrests, ensuring they lock back into the casters. Replace the bedpan rack in the frame. Refit the aperture and replace the overseat. Now lift the arms back into the upright position, ensuring the locking pins engage. Finally, the decontamination tag should be dated and initialed to denote that the unit is clean and ready for reuse. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. If you have any questions or need further information, please contact the sales department on 01535 272 957.